Husky. First time at the lake. He's ready to go in the water. Right, Whiskey? Ready to go in the water, huh? He's gonna go in the boat. Done? He's down? He wants to go back in the water? First time going at the lake in the water. He likes it. Woo! Yeah, first time. Does you think he knows how to swim? Take him a little bit and see if you know how to swim. Wow. Good job, Whiskey. Come on, you can do it, Whiskey.
Come on, Whiskey, come on. Good job. Dog paddle? Yeah, that's good.
Come on, Husky. Go deeper. Come on, in the water. Deep. Deep in the water.
Good boy. He's trying. He's like, help me.
Yeah, he likes it.
Loves it, huh?
Yeah.
What a great dog.
There, he goes in there. He's kind of, I guess, exploring it right now.
His little legs, chicken legs. You gotta take him jogging and build those little calves.
Look at his legs.
He's so skinny.
Good job, boy. Got a whole day. You're gonna spend a whole day here. Get a boat ride to do. Oh, he's swimming, huh? First time, man. He's swimming. Whoa. Good boy. Well, thing is cooling off, huh? No, no. Take him again. Woo! He's enjoying it, huh? Wow, good boy. He love it. First time at the lake in the water, huh? And you already know how to swim. Lake Comanche. Wakeboarding today, man. So you got the wakeboard, huh?
All the boats that go to the boat launch are all the way back up to the road.
Manta Taras. Woo! He's swimming, huh? He's a good swimmer, look. Woo! Go, Whiskey, go! Go, Whiskey, go! Wow. They're like natural born swimmers, man. Good job, boy. Good job. But he wants to go again? You want to go again? I know. Lake Comanche. Beautiful. Boat right here. Tube. Wakeboard. They got some wakeboard too somewhere.
It's